Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. So in this video we want to prepare our natural block tonic. Okay, so this is our fruits we want to use. This is a turkey berry. In Nigeria we call it sokopeye. For Yoruba side we call it sokopeye. So this is block tonic. If you have it in your compound, you can blend it anytime you need it. This is scent leaf, ginger. Okay, we are going to add ginger to it. So because some of my subscribers told me that they want to see how we prepare our block tonic, so here is our I want to show you how we prepare it. Okay, so follow me, and please, if you are just seeing us for the first time, please subscribe for more videos. Okay, God bless you. So this is, I want to wash the turkey berry, scent leaf, if you watch our previous video, the markets that is where we bought the turkey berry. They sell it in the market. Okay, if you don't have it in your compound, this is my drinking water. This is natural blood tonic. So, beautiful people, this is nice, delicious, and it's very good. I like the taste of the ginger on it. Philip, take. Yeah, come and take. Turkey berry. Take. This is turkey berry. Yeah, baby. You see? So watch out for our next video. Oh, I want to take. Oh, Yanu, there, open your mouth well now. So, beautiful people, we are going to take this one with the food we prepare. Okay, watch out for our next video where we'll be eating our delicious food with rice. Okay, let's go there with this delicious drink. Bye bye.
Bye bye.